The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Bright young Jamaicans are taking advantage of the change in the investing climate, whereby investors are moving away from repo-type activities. Justin Nam is the managing director of a startup investment company, Exponential Holdings Limited, and Mayberry Investments will be the lead broker in the company's coming initial public offering, a prelude to listing on the junior market. Justin Nam is excited about the prospects for this new entity, which he describes as taking a novel approach.
The reason we chose this model is because of the need for broader equity participation. Interest rates have been trending downwards following the NDX and JDX, and we think now is a great time to look to other asset classes apart from fixed income. So we'll be investing in local and international stocks in order to hedge against devaluation. We'll also have a fixed income component, which is bonds, local and international also, but a greater focus on international. And then we'll have private equity, which we find particularly exciting. That really is when we invest in companies that are small, looking for capital, but they may be shut out of the traditional means of accessing money.
The foreign exchange numbers came unusually late today, so what was trading like? Well, the Jamaican dollar strengthened slightly against the 3 regularly traded foreign currencies today. In other words, the US and the Canadian dollars as well as the British pound weakened against the local currency. The greenback declined by 4 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $105.34, whilst the Canadian dollar declined by 96 Jamaican cents to close at $100.54. Sterling closed $1.70 lower at $169.73. News on the market now, and the Jamaican stock market suffered its biggest single-day loss this year, with the main JC index plunging by 3,322 points, or over 4%. Losses by blue chips Scotia Group and First Caribbean International Bank mainly triggered this precipitous fall in the market. 25 stocks traded today, with 9 advancing, 8 declining and 8 holding firm. The winners included Caribbean Cement, Consolidated Bakeries or Purity, the day's big winner, up 6.9%, Grace Kennedy, Lasco Manufacturing, Lime and Scotia Investments. The losers included Barita Investments, Carreras, First Caribbean International Bank, today's big loser, down 10%, Sagicor Life Jamaica and Scotia Group down 7.6%. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, unwary motorists buying used vehicles are virtually at the mercy of sophisticated car theft rings who understand and have the ability to circumvent the forensic data associated with the VIN or vehicle identification numbers, which are often altered. Intelligence gathered by the OGR indicates that such vehicles are often stolen in the US, Canada and Mexico and taken here. Verifying that the used vehicle you are purchasing is not a stolen vehicle can be a nightmare. You need an expert who can do serious international tracking. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.